sisters. My brothers and sisters. This and I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall be my parents, teachers, and respect, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being along life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Jai Hind. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. I am Abhinava from grade 1 Koral. Here I update to you international and national news. International news. Finance Minister to review economy at FSDC meeting on February 21st. National news. 57.2 25,000 students aspirants who want to go abroad hail from tier 2-3 towns for study. Thank you. Have a thoughtful Tuesday. Happy morning everyone. Today the report is brought to you by Manoj from grade 1 Coral. Weather report. Minimum temperature 33 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius. Today's thought is brought to you by Mahesh from grade 1 Koral. Thought. Mistakes are proof you are right. I repeat again. Mistakes are proof you are right. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Happy morning. Happy morning. I want to know what is value by Dana from grade 1 Koral. What? Again, spelling. E-X-C-I-T-E-N-E-N-T. Examine. Please spell after me. Examine. E-X-C-I-T-E-N-E-N-T. Examine. Thank you. Have a good day. Today's amazing facts is brought to you by Legun from grade 1 Coral. Amazing facts. ABE blood group. ABE negative is the rarest blood type. The strongest muscle in our body is jaw. Thank you. Have a good day. Good evening to all. My name is Sriniket. I am from grade 1 Coral. Here I came for test your general knowledge. Question for grade 1. What is our national tree? Yes, you pick the correct answer. The answer is banyan tree. Let us check them. Question for grade 2. Which blood is rarest blood? Yes, you pick the correct answer.
Sing loudly.
All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Shamkumar Reddy from Great 10 Jasper. International news. Ukraine seeks reconstruction help from Japan. National news. PM Modi says that India is bringing back its ancient idols from abroad. Thank you. Have a nice day.
State and Sports News is brought to you by Santosh of Great and Jasper. State News 33% reservation for women in jobs in Telangana soon. PCB launches drive for waste management in Medaram. Sports News Who will replace Jasprit Bumrah in India 11 for Ranchi test against England? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's weather report is brought to you by G. Sayardhan Reddy from Great 10 Jasper. Today's weather report. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Ashwadan of Great and Jasper. Today's thought: success required work, not just words. I repeat again: success required work, not just words. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Rohan from Great and Jasper. Today's word is require. It is a verb. It means to need something. Friends, spell after me. Require. 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 Thank you.